So in the task, what we are going to do is that we have to let some there's a team called QDINC, okay, and we are you are the junior cloud engineer. So you supposed to be a junior cloud engineer who knows about Google Cloud, okay. And the task to given you is that you have to create. They have some development, and they are working on new projects about storing and organizing report called memories. So you know that you can see it through the photo apps, okay. You can see to the photo apps, okay. And yes, and you have been asked to assist the company, okay, the memory teams for that. Now I accept this. Phone number, console, copy another account, yes, and password with that, okay. Now they have given this request to you, okay, to create a bucket for storing photographs. So that is the simple task to create a pub-sub topic that will be used by the cloud function you create, okay. And creating the cloud function, and there is a cloud engineer, okay. So either he has moved to the new team, or uh, he has left his job, okay. So something like that, but you have to remove his access, therefore you can save your resources. Now there are some standards, okay. So the first, this all other standards are normal ones which are not needed, or like can be used. But the first one, that creating all resources in US East 1 zone and US East 1B, US East 1 region and US East 1 B zone, okay. You have to create all this in this region and this zone, uh, unless you have been told about that, okay. Okay, I accepted. Okay, now what you have to do is that you have to create a bucket, okay. So for bucket you have to go to cloud, add browser, and I request all of you to go to new tab, okay. Take it to the new tab for better understanding, okay, because it will decrease work time for certain limit, okay. Now I have to create a bucket. Now what I will do is that I will copy this project ID since it's a unique one, and always the bucket is going to require a unique ID, okay. Okay, you have to cancel out this. Now bucket name is name, the region, okay. You have to use this one, okay. You are told to use this one, nothing else, nothing, no, nothing else, okay. Not Mumbai, Delhi, you have to use US East one, okay. And the remaining things they have not specified anything, so you are going to continue with the default and you can directly click to create, okay. Now our bucket has been created. So we will check our progress. Yes, the bucket has been created and the progress is done. Now you have to create a pub and sub. So for pub and sub, you will require to go to big data, and big data in pub and sub and topics again in new tab for better understanding. Now in this okay, Now this is a previous Cloud Engineers account. Now what you have to do is that create on cloud storage browser, so you will be able to access the bucket that has been created by the first user. So you can see that the bucket has been created by the first user. Okay. Okay. Now here you have to name it as Jule. Write the company's name and yes, pub and serve, and create a topic. Okay, and you have to not choose anything else except for this default subscription. Okay, so there is a question mark, you will understand what it does. Okay, you can see our topic has been created, and we can go to that lab and check out that our topic has been created or not. Yes, it is created. Now you have to create a cloud function. Now this step is going to be important. Okay, now cloud function, you have to take it up into the new tab, and okay, now create a cloud function. So the name I am going to give is cf julie, and say US Central one. Yes, HTTP cloud storage. Okay, so it is given that the trigger should be to the cloud storage. Okay, trigger is cloud storage. In now this you have to select and finalize or create. Okay, and create on the bucket, which click on the bucket, like you have to use this bucket for that cloud function. Okay, and save it. Okay, it has got saved, and the runtime build connection and security part. So security part. Okay, in this you have to do nothing. Okay, live as it is, whatever default it is given. Okay, now in this I request you to go to node.js 10, and here you have to write your uh, function name. That is, okay, wait, I have made entry point should be named as thumbline. Okay, now in this you have to copy this function, and you have to paste this in index.js. Now here it is given 16 line, so the topic name of the topic is Julie PS. So copy this. Okay, and you have to paste it here, line number 15. So line number 15 or 16 according to your given this, and copy this JSON package. Okay, copy this JSON package and paste it. Now everything is set correctly, checked it once. So on line number 15, yes, our topic name is Julie, and you have to change nothing except for this topic name. Okay, now I'm going to deploy this. Okay, it has been deployed. Okay, so as per this task, so some of you have used cloud shell CIL SDK, so you can use a cloud shell if you are like comfortable with it. So our task is getting deployed. By the time, what we will do is that we'll go to this link and copy it, and we will save this image. Okay, now I will go down. Yeah, this is map.jpg already exists. Still I will save it as it is. Okay, uh, Okay, let us see a function is created or not. Yes, it's getting deployed, so we will wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Now in this function what we have to do is that we have to copy this map dot jpg or png, whatever you have saved it as, and you have to upload it here. And the next task is that okay, we will wait for 2 3. You have to rechange the name, okay, here, so that this cloud function gets activated and will do some magic. We'll see what is that magic. Okay. Now it takes some time because the memory allocated is little bit less. Okay. Yes, our function has got deployed it, and we can see in the notification part itself also that the function has got deployed it. Now I'll show what is the magic. Okay, now you can drag and drop. There is nothing as such. Here you will see that the upload has been started, and you will see that the upload has got properly uploaded. Okay, so I dismiss this. Now what I will do is that I'll rename. Okay, now instead of jpg you have to write it as png, and if you have written png you have to write it .jpg. Okay, this is the thing. I rename this, and here is the thumbnail function created. Now if you click on this separately and check what it is, okay, you click on this cloud storage and click on it. See, the map has got smaller in it, so it's a map itself, but what we have done is that due to we have changed it from jpg to png, it has created a thumbnail. Okay, it has created a copy but a smaller version of that copy. Now let us check whether the cloud function has been verified or not. Yes, the cloud function has got verified, because here we can see that we have got our 30 points, and the last function is a very simple one. Now for this you don't require a tab. What we have to do is go to IAM admin IAM. Okay, now you can see that there are two users. Okay, C63. Now I will show you. C63 is the owner. So as I told you before, or I'll repeat again, that the first account or the first username shall be most of the time owner, editor, or the project I am in. Okay. The second one is going to be the viewer or someone who is, so according to this he is having the access, but we have to remove it. So the role of viewer, so he is viewing what is going on in our cloud. Okay, now what I have to do is that I have to edit this principal, and you can see that viewers had it, so I have to delete this role and save it. Okay, and let us check if our access, yes, it has been. Okay, and finally our task has got completed. Okay, you can check that our task has got completed because we got 100 points, and therefore you are going to get a green tick outside the box where you have performed this task, and you will get this badge. Okay, So get ready for the next quest. Thank you.